Today we're going to bring a fan, and this is a ceiling fan. It's a white fan with 3 propellers, if you guys can see that. These can be replaced in the future, but you got to make sure you get this right brand. Now you have 2 options on this one. You got either white, flat white, or you can change to the actual wood color. All right, either way, whatever you design your room to look like, you could change it, interchange it. Now, one of the best things I like about it, it has a remote control with the actual module control, right? Now the control is included with a couple of features you should know. Now, one of the best things I like about it is that it's the simplicity of the fan, how simple it is to, because they also include the actual manual it is. So what we're going to do today, we're going to actually mount it, and we're not going to demonstrate to you exactly how to set it up, but we're going to show you some of the procedures I have to take it to actually in order to for me to set the fan up. Now, one of the things I recommend you always turn off the power or have a meter to read if there's an actual live cable before you touch the stuff, right? So be aware that safety first. Make sure you have the proper tools. Tools are not included, and we're going to set this up today. Now the remote is very simple to apply to the actual fixture. Now you got level 1 through 6 for the actual fan. You got dimming, you got speeds, you got actual different types of lights fixtures. Like for example, the lumens, you could change them to dim, to bright, to different tones. One of the best things I like about it is that it comes with an actual base unit that you could actually mount into a wall and always know where it is at. You could put this either double-sided tape or you could drill it in. The extra screws are included too.